Hi, Jennifer McQueen here, owner and lead instructor for Discover Academy. So in this video, I want to offer a strategy for how to help your child solve double-digit addition problems when the ones place sum ends up being greater than 10. Let me show you. So the addition problem, 13 plus 29. So if you remember from last week's video, I showed a strategy where you can draw strips and singles. This same strategy can still work. And then I'll show you how to teach the regrouping, or like we used to call it growing up, carrying over to the tens place. So first we need to draw the 13. So that's 10, 11, 12, 13. And then the 29. 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So then you can tell your child to add the ones place first. And so they will then see that there are 12 ones. And we can't just stick a 12 right here. So you will tell your child to regroup, to turn 10 of those ones into one set of 10. And if that's confusing for them, you can show them 10 $1 bills and then one $10 bill. Because most kids understand that's the same amount of money. It just looks differently. Same thing. Then draw that correlation to this. So now what we're going to do is regroup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you will box it. And then they can put a slash through it. My marker is kind of dying on me. Let me switch markers right quick. So you can draw a slash through it. And then an arrow and a strip to show that you took those 10 ones and turned it into a set of 10 instead. So now they will just count the ones that are left over. So that's 2 ones. And then the 4 tens. Now, we are still missing something, and that's this number to show where we regrouped it. So what you can tell your child is what goes here is how many times you regrouped it, how many sets of 1 you turned into a set of 10. In this case, 1. We turned 1 set of 10 singles into 1 10. So that's why we put a 1 up there. Now, honestly, to those of us who learned the traditional way growing up how to add, this seems like a lot of extra work. I'm not going to lie. It does seem like that. But this also helps your child understand why we do it this way, why this makes sense. So then they're able to do things like do math in their head at an earlier age. Things like that. Do the upper level math, calculus, all of this, the advanced mathematics later on in life, because they understand how to manipulate numbers. They know that. They know that concept. So that's why we teach them like this visual method first. Most school districts in the area where I live, the Charlotte area, does teach something similar to this, if not this exact thing. So this is something they will be very familiar with. After they get where this is easy for them, then we just take this away. And we just say, okay, now we're going to do this part in our head, and we're just going to add it up. And in my experience, most children very easily make that transition. Pretty quickly, actually. It's easy for them to imagine this in their head after they've done it for a little bit. So here is just one strategy you can use to help your child solve double-digit addition problems that involve regrouping. I hope this helps. And if your child needs more instruction than what you are able or comfortable with providing at home, feel free to hire one of our licensed tutors here at Discover Academy. You can email us at discoveracademymp@gmail.com, or you can call or text us at 704-781-7034. If you're ready to register, our website is discoveracademy.net. On there, you will find the registration form to fill out, and someone will get right back in touch with you. Thank you for letting us help your child discover their potential.